If you think you need to spend a fortune at the salon for perfect nails, think again. I used to dread doing my nails at home because it always felt like a hassle. But then I discovered the SUNUV 48 WUV LEDNAILLAMP, and it changed everything for me. This little beauty is a game changer. With 33 high-power LED beads, it cures gel polish in half the time. I mean, who doesn't want to save time while getting salon-quality nails at home? The smart sensors are super convenient. It turns on and off automatically when you put your hands in. And can we talk about the 4 timer settings? I love that I can customize my drying time based on the gel I'm using. Plus, the removable base makes it so easy to switch between manicures and pedicures. I've used it with all types of gel polish, and it works like a charm every time. The pink design is just adorable, and it fits perfectly on my vanity. I've had friends ask if I went to a salon after using it. The only downside? A few people mentioned heat sensitivity, but I didn't experience that at all. Honestly, for the price, it feels like I'm using professional salon equipment right at home. After using this lamp, my nails look flawless and last so much longer. If you're looking to elevate your at-home nail game, you need to check this out. Trust me, you won't regret it. Click the link in my bio to grab yours and start your nail journey today.